Hello and welcome you all. I, Professor Vipin Sopde from Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today, we are going to talk about a topic, metal joining processes. So what are the contents for today's session? We will be talking about introduction to metal joining processes, then welding, what is shielded metal arc welding, brazing, soldering, and comparison between welding, soldering, and brazing. Let's talk about introduction of metal joining processes. Those processes which are used to join two metals are called as joining processes. Metal joining process includes such as welding, bending, brazing, soldering. These are the processes which are comes under the category of metal joining processes. They produce a permanent joint between the parts to be assembled. Welding, brazing and soldering produces permanent joint, hence they cannot be separated easily. So the definition of welding talks about us that it is a metal joining process in which two or more parts are joined at their contacting surfaces by suitable application of heat and pressure. In some cases, pressure is required and or in some cases pressure is not required. In some cases, heat alone is sufficient or in some cases both heat and pressure are required. In some welding processes along with heat and pressure, filler material is also required for joining them. What is in by soldering? It is a kind of again a joining process which produces permanent joint. Soldering is a process in which two or more parts are joined together by melting and putting a filler metal into the joint. Generally, the filler metal fills the cavity by means of a capillary action. Same is the case with brazing. Brazing is also a metal joining process in which two or more metals join by flowing a filler metal into a joint. Just the difference between them two is in soldering, the filler base material is tin and lead filler, which is called as solder, while in case of brazing, it is a brass based filler, which is called as spelter. The soldered joint is weak, while braze joint is strong. In case of welding also, melting of filler rod as well as base metal is observed. Then types of welding. Welding is broadly classified into two categories. One is fusion welding, which is also called as non-pressure welding, and another one is solid state welding, which is also called as pressure welding. In fusion welding, pressure is not applied at all. Only heat is sufficient to join two metals to one another. When no filler rod is used, that kind of non-pressurized weldings are called as autogenous weld. In case of solid state welding, pressure is applied in order to join the two metals. Hence, they are called as pressurized welding processes or solid state welding process. In pressure welding processes, filler metal is not used. This is the detailed classification of welding process. Welding processes are categorized into gas welding, arc welding, resistance welding, solid state welding, thermochemical welding, and radiant energy welding and their child parts. We are having only arc welding as far as your SME subject is concerned. Let's see what is in by arc welding process. As the name suggests, the welding process takes place by generating an electric arc. How the electric arc is generated? It is generated due to the polarity difference produced at the tip of your electrode. It is a kind of fusion welding process in which melting and joining of the metal is done by heat energy generated by the arc between work and electrode. Because of the polarity difference at the tip of the electrode, the temperature of the pool increases up to 5000 degrees Celsius, and that temperature itself is sufficient to create a molten metal pool. So because of that molten metal pool, your both material gets joined. Then shielded metal arc welding. It is a type of arc welding in which a consumable electrode with filler material, again that filler rod has been coated with some chemicals to provide flux and shielding action. Here, this is your protective gas which protect your molten weld pool from the contamination of the dirt and dust. Because if dirt and dust contaminated in this molten metal pool, then this welded joint will become weak. So in order to prevent such condition, a protective gas is used. Generally, this is the gas which is preferred here is inert gases like argon are preferred in these operations. The current and voltage range for this SMAW welding process is current is generally up to 300 ampere and voltage range is between 15 to 45 volt. The soldering is a process in which two metals get joined when the melting point of the filler material is less than that of the parent material and the temperature of soldering process is less than 450 degrees Celsius. Filler material is an alloy of lead and steel which is called as solder. The flux which is used in soldering is zinc chloride and HCl. The strength of the joint is less as compared to braze joint. It is generally used in electronical appliances. While in case of brazing, the melting point temperature of filler material is more than 450 degrees Celsius but less than the melting point of the temperature. See here, the melting point temperature of filler material is more than 450 degrees Celsius. Here the melting point temperature of the filler material is less than 450 degrees Celsius. This is the difference between soldering and brazing. Again, here the filler material is an alloy of copper, zinc, copper, silver, and copper and aluminum, which is called as pelter. Here your filler material is called as solder, which is an alloy of lead and tin. Here the flux is used is borax and boric acid. In case of soldering, the flux is used is zinc chloride or HCl. The strength of braze joint is more as compared to soldered joint. Then brace joints are used in pipe fitting in order to make the leak-proof joints. Then this is the comparison between welding, soldering, and brazing. First parameter is operating temperature. Operating temperature in case of welding is near about 2400 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius. Above 150, above 1500 degrees Celsius is the operating temperature of welding. In case of brazing, it is above 450 degrees Celsius, while in case of soldering, it is below 450 degrees Celsius. The heating source in case of welding is your electric arc, while in case of brazing is your gas flame. In case of soldering, it is your soldering gun. The filler material in welding is your filler rod. In case of brazing, it is spelter. In case of soldering, it is solder. The strength of the joint which is observed in welding is stronger as compared to brazing and soldering. While brazing, the strength is in between welding and soldering. The soldered joint is having the weakest strength. Surface finish of welded joint is poor as compared to brazing, while the surface finish of soldering joint is also poor. Application areas of weldings are generally observed in ferrous parts, while in case of brazing, copper-based alloys are observed to be brazed, and in case of soldering, electrical equipments are soldered regularly. The base material in case of welding is similar, while the brazing, similar or dissimilar metals can be joined. In case of soldering also, similar or dissimilar metals can be joined. I hope now you are able to understand what is mean by metal joining processes, then what is the definition of welding, what is in by arc welding process, what is in by SMAW process, then the difference between welding, soldering, and brazing. Thank you all.